Got car trouble? Here are the top reasons your car might be giving you the silent treatment. First up, a dead or weak battery. It's the number one culprit and often happens if your battery's old or you've left the lights on. Next, a malfunctioning alternator. It's supposed to keep your battery charged, but if it's not working, your car won't start. Then, there's the faulty starter. You'll hear clicking noises or slow engine cranking if it's the issue. The ignition switch can also cause problems. If you struggle to turn the key, this might be your issue. Worn spark plugs? They can prevent proper ignition. And don't forget the distributor cap. If it's broken, it disrupts electricity flow to the spark plugs. These are just a few reasons your car might not start. Want to know more? Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. Catch you next time, car owners.